Hey guys, welcome back to Scrumsome. So today I'm making pan fried rice. Enjoy the recipe. Start by adding 2 tablespoons of olive oil and some garlic powder to your cooking pot. Give it a shake and then add your basmati rice. Make sure to give it all a good stir and then add your hot water. A little bit of salt and then let it cook. After about 8 minutes, check to see if your rice has cooked. If it has, then it's time to transfer it into a bowl. If you want, you can also briefly leave it inside your fridge to help the cooling down process. To a frying pan, add some olive oil, chopped onions, spring onions, and some red chillies. Then add some garlic, white pepper, and black pepper. Now once that's all combined, add your smoked bacon, chicken, chili powder, all-purpose seasoning, and some chicken seasoning. Give it all a good stir, and then add half of a chicken stock cube. Once your meat has cooked, you can continue by adding your carrots, peas, lemon juice, and your prawns. Don't forget to add your soy sauce, as not only does this add to the flavor, but it also gives your fried rice a nice brown color. So once that's all done, simply transfer everything into a bowl and put it to the side. Now add some olive oil to your frying pan and 3 medium eggs. Add a bit of salt and then scramble your eggs. After that's done, it's time to add your cooked rice. Finally, add your cooked meat and veg. Give it a last mix and your pan-fried rice is done. If you like this recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Catch you guys in the next one.